Here is my old 2007 Daracraft box fan by Kaz. After Daracraft sold out to so many people, Kaz ended up with Daracraft, and they kept the name for the longest until they did away with it. This is a 2007 model. This model was made in January of 2007, 01/07, and it was probably sold in the summer of 2007 because that's when I bought it. I bought it back in 2007 in the summertime. It was one of the very last ones that Kaz ever produced before they did away with the fan altogether and before they did away with the name. This fan was originally built and it was sold by Daracraft Corporation way back in the 90s, like 1989, 1990. They made these fans throughout the 90s all the way up until Kaz pretty much did away with it in 2007. And it's interesting how they stuck with the exact same blade design from the very beginning to the very end. So with that being said, I also have the 1999 model with the push button and turn. I got that from eBay. I also have another one. I believe I got it from 98 again off of eBay. But this one right here I bought originally from CVS at the time when they were still selling Daracraft products. So with that being said, let's go ahead and run this at full power. Does it still run? Well, of course, it still runs. I wouldn't consider it vintage. It only came out in 2007. And we're in 2025. It's old, but it's not considered vintage. It's one of the last ones that they made. So here we go. First speed is high. I remember when these first came out because when they started selling this particular model at CVS, they claimed that it was rain resistant. It was like one of the first rain resistant small box fans to come out. And they claimed that it was rain resistant and that you can run it in the window while it's raining. Well, I never done that, but here it is. You should be able to hear the windscreen once it gets up to full speed. It's interesting. All these years later, this thing still runs like a champ. It's quite dirty because I got to get it cleaned up. But everything to this fan is original. I've done nothing different to it. Enjoy the video. This thing is moving a decent amount of air. The blades on this thing is thick. And it's reasonably balanced within a reasonable margin of error. Yeah, you can't even feel that thing vibrating through the table at all. Wish they still made them like that, but that's before things started getting really bad. Should be able to hear the windscreen. If not, my apologies to you. But where I'm standing, this thing is moving a lot of air for such a small 10-inch box fan. Alright, let's spin it down and check out the spin down time. This is from high speed, or as I like to call it, full power. There you go. I never oiled it. From the time I bought it to right now, I have never oiled this fan at all. Ever. And the spin down time is still decent. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. The Fan Man, and out.